Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we re-embarking on an epic journey to a country that is a true hidden gem for travelers, Pakistan. From the soaring peaks of the Himalayas to ancient bustling cities, Pakistan offers a diversity of landscapes and cultures that will leave you absolutely breathless. So grab your virtual passport, because we're about to count down the 10 best places you have to visit in this incredible country. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Karachi. It's not just Pakistan's largest city. It's a vibrant, chaotic, and utterly fascinating metropolis. Known as the City of Lights, Karachi is a melting pot of cultures, cuisines, and histories. You can explore the grand mausoleum of the nation's founder, Mazar-e-Quaid, wander through the historic Empress Market, or relax on the shores of Clifton Beach. And let's not forget the food. Karachi is a foodie paradise, famous for its incredible street food, especially the biryani. It's the perfect introduction to the energy of modern Pakistan. Next up, at number 9, we have the majestic Naltar Valley. Located in the Gilgit-Baltistan region, Naltar is famous for its 3 stunning multicolored lakes, often called the Badshahi Lakes. The colors range from deep blue to emerald green, creating a picture-perfect scene against the backdrop of snow-dusted peaks. In winter, Naltar transforms into a premier ski resort, offering thrilling slopes for adventure seekers. Whether you're hiking in the summer or skiing in the winter, Naltar Valley is a playground for nature lovers. Coming in at number 8 is the enchanting fairy meadows. The name says it all. This lush green plateau offers one of the most iconic views in the world, a direct, jaw-dropping sight of Nanga Parbat, the 9th highest mountain on Earth. Reaching fairy meadows is an adventure in itself, involving a thrilling jeep ride and a bit of trekking, but the reward is unparalleled. Imagine waking up in a cozy log cabin, stepping outside, and being greeted by the colossal killer mountain towering over you. It's a truly humbling and magical experience. At number 7, we travel back in time to the ancient city of Multan. Known as the City of Saints, Multan is one of the oldest cities in South Asia, with a history stretching back thousands of years. It's famous for its stunning Sufi shrines, adorned with intricate blue tilework like the tomb of Shah Rukn-e-Alam. The city's bustling old bazaars are a sensory overload in the best way possible, filled with handicrafts, spices, and the famous Multani Sohan Halwa, a delicious local sweet. Multan is a must-visit for anyone interested in history, culture, and spirituality. Sailing into our number 6 spot is Attabad Lake. This stunning body of water in the Gojal Valley has a fascinating yet recent origin story. It was formed in 2010 after a massive landslide blocked the Hunza River. The result is a breathtakingly turquoise lake surrounded by dramatic, barren mountains. Today, you can take a boat ride across its serene waters, go jet skiing, or simply marvel at the surreal beauty of this accidental wonder. The contrast between the vibrant blue water and the rugged gray peaks is something you'll never forget. Halfway through our list at number 5 is Lahore, the cultural heart of Pakistan. From the magnificent Badshahi Mosque to the sprawling Lahore Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, you can get lost in the narrow alleyways of the walled city, explore the vibrant food street, and witness the patriotic flag-lowering ceremony at the Wagah Border. Lahore is a feast for the senses and a deep dive into Pakistan's rich heritage. At number 4, we have the serene and picturesque Neelam Valley in Azad Kashmir. Often called the Blue Gem of Pakistan, this valley is a paradise of lush green forests, sparkling streams, and charming wooden villages. It stretches for miles, offering endless opportunities for trekking, fishing, and simply soaking in the tranquil atmosphere. Places like Sharda and Kel are highlights, with ancient ruins and cable cars offering spectacular views. Neelam Valley feels like stepping into a fairy tale, a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Entering our top 3, at number 3, is the incredible Desi National Park. Known as the Land of Giants, Desi is one of the highest plateaus in the world. For most of the year, it's covered in snow, but in the summer, it explodes into a carpet of wildflowers. This vast, treeless wilderness is home to the Himalayan brown bear, golden marmots, and a host of unique flora. Camping under a sky full of stars and Desi, with complete silence around you, is an experience that connects you deeply with nature. It's raw, wild, and absolutely unforgettable. Our runner-up at number 2 is the magnificent Karakoram Highway. This isn't just a road. It's one of the greatest engineering marvels of the modern world. Often called the eighth wonder of the world, this highway snakes its way through the Karakoram mountain range, connecting Pakistan with China. The journey along the KKH is an adventure in itself, offering mind-blowing views of towering peaks, glacial rivers, and dramatic valleys at every turn. It's the ultimate road trip, taking you through some of the most remote and spectacular landscapes on the planet. And finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the legendary Hunza Valley. If there's one place that captures the sheer beauty of Pakistan, it's Hunza. Surrounded by giants like Rakaposhi and Altir, this valley is a haven of peace and stunning scenery. You can explore the ancient forts of Baltit and Altit, perched dramatically on cliffs, wander through apricot orchards, and meet some of the friendliest people you'll ever encounter. The views from Eagle's Nest at sunset are simply out of this world. Hunza is more than just a destination. It's a feeling, a magical experience that stays with you forever. And that's a wrap on our tour of the 10 best places to visit in Pakistan. From bustling cities to serene valleys and the highest mountains in the world, this country truly has it all. We've only scratched the surface, of course. Which of these places would you love to visit first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching and see you next time.